Hey, welcome back. In today's how-to video, I want to show you how to make this. Wow, that video went fast. Hey, if you like video games, free games, make sure to check me out right there, the latest. I'll meet you there. And let's get right into it. Okay, first off, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to pick an outro video or something that you have. Like, let's take this one here, for example. Boy, that game went fast. Okay, let's take this, open with, and pick Photos. It's on Windows 10, it's built in, and it's free. You pick this. Boy, that game went fast. Hit Edit and Create. Free games. Make sure to click right up here. Add 3D effects. Subscribe to the channel and you like. There we go. It's going to open up the editor. Now in here, you're going to have a marker right here where it says Seek. You can move this back and forth through the video wherever you want. Let's say right in the beginning we want to come in with some flying bats. Sure, why not? So you click on flying bats. You can pick how long you want the bats to come in, how short. So let's go right about there. And it looks like this. Boy, that game went fast. Hey, for more free games, make sure to click right up here. You can make sure and take the sound out. Subscribe to. So it looks like this. Boy, that game went fast. Hey, for more free games, you can also pick other items. Just come back to effects. Now on top of this, you can also come in with jack-o'-lanterns. Right about here. Let's turn the volume off on that. So now it's going to look like this. Boy, that game went fast. Hey, for more free games, not bad. Make sure to click right up here. And if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel and you like the content, smash that button. And you can always stretch this out and make it longer too. Like we can make this. Let's go right there. Okay, we'll bring it to an end there, so that way when I start to point, okay, right there, there we go. Now it looks like this. Boy, that game went fast. Hey, for more free games, make sure to click right up here. And if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel and you like the content, pretty cool, huh? Smash that button. And they have tons of effects. You can come here and pick all kinds of things like autumn leaves, balloons, flying bats, jack-o'-lanterns, butterflies, confetti. You can put in explosions. Yeah, always trying to bring you guys the best free games and budget gaming tech on the channel, but I'm also trying to help you make the best quality videos that you can make. And like I said, you've got tons here. You've got all kinds of effects. You can go to the 3D library. You can add in all of these amazing things over here. They got stuff in time for Christmas. They got Minecraft, sci-fi, characters, celebrations, animals and insects, costumes, just whatever you want to do. So I hope this helps. If you're trying to, spice up your video a little bit, or maybe make a punchier intro or outro for your channel. If it does, make sure to drop a big like on the video and share it out with your friends. I really appreciate everybody watching. I hope this video helped you in some way. Thanks so much for watching this how-to video. Hey, for more great helpful tips, make sure to click these right here. And if you like the content and you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that red subscribe button. You don't want to miss anything coming up. Thanks again. I'll see you in the next one.